In your browser, search for healthcarecareers.in. Click the link, and you will be redirected to Healthcare Careers portal. Click on Login menu and select Employers. Select Sign up for free option. Fill up the details. Check the Terms and Policy option. Scroll down and click Accept. Now click on Create Account. Click Continue. Enter the OTP received in phone number or email. The code will only be valid for 15 minutes. After clicking Continue, you will be redirected to Profile section of your account. Please fill all the necessary details. Mobile number verification is necessary for further processing. After completion, click on Update Profile. Here you will see a pop-up message informing that your account will be verified by Healthcare Careers team and you will be notified on the registered email or phone number within 24 hours. Here you can see your status of verification. Remember, you can post job vacancy only after verification of your profile. Now that your account is all set up, it will display an approved title, indicating that your account has been verified. Let's dive into the real work, posting your job listing. Whether you are hiring your first employee or looking to expand your team, a great job posting is key to attracting the right candidates. So, let's walk through the process step by step. Go to Job section in left menu bar. Click Add. Fill up all the necessary details of job. After completion, click Add. Here you can see tile of job listed. You can also edit, remove and pause the list of job. In the Applications section, you'll find a list of candidates who have applied for the job. In Dashboard, you will find overview of your job postings, like total jobs, live, past and closed jobs, candidates applied, and so on. Navigate to the Notification Management menu to select your preferred notification methods, web, SMS, email, or WhatsApp. Stay updated on applicants and other important information effortlessly, ensuring a seamless experience tailored to your convenience. And that's it. You're all set to post your job listings and start attracting top talent. By following these simple steps, you've learned how to craft a compelling job description and manage your applicants effectively. Remember, posting a job is just the beginning. Stay active on your dashboard, engage with candidates promptly, and optimize your listings based on the performance data. That way, you'll find the right person for the job in no time. Thank you for watching.